Are you looking for the best Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter? In this video, we want to the top 5 best Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter. A game changer for car audio. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Baseus S9 Lite series car Bluetooth FM transmitter, and I must say, it has completely transformed my in-car audio experience. This gadget boasts advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, offering faster response times and higher stability compared to its predecessor, Bluetooth 5.0. One of the standout features of the Baseus S9 Lite is its ability to deliver music with lossless quality. Whether you're connecting through Bluetooth or using a flash drive, you can expect premium sound quality and hi-fi playback. I was truly impressed by the crisp and clear audio this transmitter provided, making every drive an immersive musical journey. Setting up the Baseus S9 Lite is an absolute breeze. In just 3 simple steps, you can have it up and running, ready to enhance your car audio experience. The super easy operation ensures that you spend less time fiddling with settings and more time enjoying your favorite tunes while on the road. In addition to its stellar audio performance and user-friendly setup, the Baseus S9 Lite also offers compatibility with a wide range of devices, making it versatile for various users. Whether you're streaming music from your smartphone, connecting a USB flash drive, or even using it for hands-free calls, this FM transmitter has got you covered. Furthermore, the design of the Baseus S9 Lite is sleek and compact, fitting seamlessly into your car's interior. Its unobtrusive appearance and intuitive controls make it a practical and stylish addition to any vehicle. In conclusion, the Baseus S9 Lite series car Bluetooth FM transmitter is a game changer for car audio enthusiasts. With its advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, lossless music quality, and straightforward setup, it has taken my in-car audio experience to the next level. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio system without breaking the bank, I highly recommend giving the Baseus S9 Lite a try. You won't be disappointed. Number 4. Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter. A versatile companion for your car. The Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter has quickly become an essential part of my daily commute, and it's easy to see why. This compact device is packed with features that make it a must-have for any car owner looking to enhance their driving experience. One of the standout features of this transmitter is its ability to play music via Bluetooth. Connecting my smartphone to the Baseus FM transmitter was a breeze, and the audio quality was top-notch. Whether I'm streaming my favorite playlist or tuning into a podcast, the sound is crisp and clear, making my daily drive much more enjoyable. But it's not just about music. The Baseus FM transmitter also allows for hands-free calls. With the push of a button, I can answer calls and have clear conversations without taking my hands off the wheel. This feature not only enhances safety but also adds convenience to my driving experience. The inclusion of double USB ports is a game changer. I can simultaneously charge my phone and another device, ensuring that my gadgets are always powered up on the go. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in keeping me connected during my drives. What's more, the Baseus FM transmitter offers the flexibility to play music through a TF card or USB disc. This is perfect for those who prefer to have their music stored locally. The device seamlessly reads these sources, expanding your music playback options. The battery voltage display is a handy feature that provides peace of mind. Knowing the status of my car's battery voltage at a glance helps me stay prepared and avoid unexpected issues on the road. Lastly, the concurrent connection of 2 mobile phones is a welcome addition. It's convenient for families or carpooling with friends, allowing multiple passengers to easily switch between their devices for music and calls. In conclusion, the Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter is a versatile and indispensable accessory for any car owner. With its Bluetooth music streaming, hands-free calling, dual USB ports, TF card/USB disk support, battery voltage display, and multi-device connectivity, it has significantly improved my in-car experience. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio and communication capabilities, the Baseus FM transmitter is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. Number 3. Baseus Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Elevate your car audio experience with the Baseus Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Baseus Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter is a game changer for anyone seeking to enhance their in-car audio experience. With a plethora of impressive features, it seamlessly combines convenience, clarity, and connectivity to create a must-have accessory for every car owner. One of the standout features of this transmitter is its smart noise cancellation technology. Thanks to this innovation, I've been able to enjoy high-quality live sound during my drives, free from the interference of background noise. It's like having a personal concert in my car, and I've been thoroughly impressed with the immersive audio experience it provides. The Baseus FM transmitter also boasts lossless audio decoding, supporting a variety of lossless audio formats such as WMA, AP, M3, FLAC, and WAVE. The wireless 5.0 chip and high-performance audio decoding module ensure that every note and beat is delivered in HD lossless quality, making my music sound better than ever before. To further enhance the audio experience, this transmitter features a dual-core processor that eliminates background noise and prevents frequency interference. The result is crystal clear sound, whether I'm streaming music via Bluetooth or listening to music from a TF card or USB disc. The upgraded LED digital display is a thoughtful addition, showing the voltage when powered up. It's a small detail that adds to the overall convenience and functionality of the device. Wireless pairing is a breeze, with a double reminder system consisting of a flashing wireless indicator light and a voice reminder upon successful connection. It's user-friendly and ensures a hassle-free setup. With dual charging ports, the Baseus FM transmitter keeps my devices powered up on the go. Whether I need to charge my phone, tablet, or even a computer, this transmitter has me covered. In addition to its impressive audio capabilities, this device also offers a convenient large rotary knob for adjusting volume and FM frequencies. It's a tactile and intuitive way to fine-tune your audio experience. Hands-free calls and audio navigation are easily managed with one-button controls. The transmitter seamlessly connects to my phone for hands-free calling and allows for audio navigation through my car's speakers, ensuring I stay safe and focused on the road. One standout feature that I appreciate is the auto reconnection and power failure memory function. If there's a power failure where I turn off my car, the transmitter remembers the exact position of the track, so I can pick up right where I left off when I start my car again. In conclusion, the Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter is a versatile and feature-rich device that has transformed my in-car audio experience. With smart noise cancellation, lossless audio decoding, dual charging ports, and a host of other convenient features, it's an essential accessory for any car owner looking to elevate their driving experience. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply value convenience and clarity in your car, the Baseus FM transmitter delivers on all fronts. Number 2. Baseus Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Power and convenience in one. The Baseus Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter is a remarkable addition to my car accessories, offering a fusion of power and convenience that has greatly improved my on-the-go charging experience. One of the standout features of this transmitter is its blazing 65W full-speed charging capability, allowing me to charge my phone and laptop simultaneously. No more fumbling around with multiple chargers. This device simplifies my life by providing dual output with support for both PD and QC fast charging. This means I can tackle urgent tasks on my laptop while ensuring my smartphone is powered up and ready for action. Speaking of speed, the 65W rapid charge feature is a game changer. I can now charge my notebook in a flash, making it incredibly convenient for processing those critical documents while on the road. It's like having a mobile office at my fingertips. But what truly sets this FM transmitter apart is its ability to unleash your true power by charging your devices up to 60% in just 30 minutes. It's a game changer for those who are always on the move and need their gadgets ready at a moment's notice. The device's compatibility extends to charging two devices simultaneously without overheating. It's compatible with various phone models and automatically stops charging once the battery is full, ensuring the longevity of your devices. The Baseus FM transmitter also boasts a sleek and futuristic design with its translucent designed cool streamer light. It adds a touch of style to my car interior while providing an outside-in look at the high-precision engineering behind it. It's more than just a functional accessory, It's a statement piece. Safety is a top priority, and the intelligent digital display battery voltage monitoring feature provides peace of mind. The large-screen digital display automatically detects and monitors battery voltage in real time, ensuring that I am always aware of my car's electrical health. Universal compatibility is another advantage of this transmitter, as it works with car sockets ranging from 12V to 24V. Whether you drive a car or a truck, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle's power system. Lastly, the extended clips are anti-skid and shock-proof, ensuring that the transmitter stays firmly in place even on bumpy mountain roads. I never have to worry about interruptions to my charging, even during adventurous journeys. In conclusion, the Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter is a versatile and powerful addition to any car. With its rapid charging capabilities, dual output, intelligent monitoring, and sleek design, it combines functionality and style effortlessly. Whether you're a busy professional, a tech-savvy traveler, or simply someone who values convenience on the road, this transmitter is a must-have accessory that will undoubtedly simplify your life. Number 1. Baseus Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Your ultimate travel companion. The Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter has become an indispensable part of my car setup, offering a perfect blend of convenience, versatility, and exceptional performance. One of the standout features of this transmitter is its accelerated charging speed without compromising on audio quality. The Baseus wireless MP3 charger doubles as a car holder, making it ideal for charging your devices while enjoying your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks. With the ability to quick charge and listen to music simultaneously, this device proves that one charger is more than sufficient for all your needs. Universal compatibility is another key strength of the Baseus FM transmitter. It's suitable for a wide range of phone and car models, accommodating mainstream 12V, 24V vehicles on the market. Plus, it's compatible with various apps, ensuring that it seamlessly integrates into your daily driving experience. The 3-port design of this transmitter is a game changer when it comes to quick charging. USB 1 and Type-C interfaces are compatible with popular fast charging protocols such as SCP, FCP, PPS, P3.0, QC 3.0/QC 4.0, MTKP+, and more. You can count on it to keep your devices powered up in no time. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the Baseus FM transmitter delivers a 360-degree stereo surround sound experience. Synchronous transmission without delay ensures that you enjoy immersive stereo sound effects, making every drive an audio delight. One of the most impressive features is its lossless decoding capability, which demands sound quality perfection. Original sound transmission, coupled with freedom from noise or current sound, makes this transmitter compatible with a wide range of audio formats, including M3, WAV, FLAC, AP, and WMA. The convenience factor is further amplified by the flash disk/TF card plug and play feature. There's no need to install driver software, just plug in and enjoy your audio files immediately. Safety on the road is paramount, and the Baseus FM transmitter takes it seriously. With one-touch hands-free call capability, you can make calls with a single click. The built-in microphone ensures that your calls are clear and smooth, keeping your focus on the road. Smart voltage detection adds an extra layer of safety. When your car is switched on, the transmitter automatically detects the battery voltage, providing you with valuable information to ensure a safe journey. Simultaneous playback from 2 devices ensures that your audio experience is never monotonous. Connect 2 devices at the same time, and the one used first will play first. When an incoming call comes in, the phone with the call will be automatically switched to, ensuring that you never miss an important call. Even on bumpy roads, the Baseus FM transmitter keeps charging, thanks to its lengthened anti-skid shrapnel. It remains firm and secure, preventing any interruptions in your charging or audio playback. In conclusion, the Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter is a must-have travel companion for anyone who spends time on the road. With its quick charging capabilities, versatile connectivity options, superior audio quality, and focus on safety, it's a device that enhances your driving experience in every way imaginable. Say goodbye to mundane drives and hello to a world of entertainment and convenience with the Baseus FM transmitter.